Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play like Howlin Wolf. This is going to be based off of the song Moanin At Midnight, which is off of the Moanin in the Moonlight record. And before we get started, remember to like this video on YouTube and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and here we go. So this lesson is going to be based off the Moanin At Midnight song, but I'm going to play the rhythm a little differently. It's going to be pretty similar. And then I'm going to show you some other things that you can do from the song, which is in E, to similar things that Howlin Wolf would do in this song and other songs, so that you can kind of adapt it to whatever type of style of music you want to play. His style of playing and like the Delta blues and Chicago blues really influence a lot of guitar players, and once you kind of get the basics of it, you can kind of branch out and do your own thing. So like I said before, the song is in E, and it's going to start out with something basically kind of like this. So what helps me when I play the song is I'm going to tap my foot. I don't know if you can see my knee here, but I'm going to tap my foot with a 1, 2, 3, 4 beat, and then the open E is going to be on the first note. And then you're going to play the second fret on the D string, and then the second fret on the A string. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a hammer-on on the D string from the first to the second fret. And then this is going to be the basis for everything else that comes after it. So once you can kind of get that rhythm, now a lot of blues guys will play with their pinky, strum those upper notes with your pinky, but if it's slow enough you can do it with a pick. And so what I did just there is I just did a bridge on the 3rd fret and pull off on the 3rd fret of the B and E strings, and then you can also just hit the open E strings. So that's like one little thing you can do. Everything's going to be based off of the E minor pentatonic and the E blues scale when you're playing this. So I'm just going to show you a few things you can do and kind of break it down. Okay, so that was kind of a few different variations, all on that E minor pentatonic and blues scale. Some of the things that I'm doing here is I'm going to hit that, like I said before, the bridge on the 3rd fret and pull off. You can also just hit it like this. Another thing I'm going to do is on the G string, I'm going to do this bend at the 2nd fret. And you can do it just like that. Or you can pull off, so you're doing a bend at the 2nd fret, and then you're pulling off to the open. And you can do that, or you can also add the. So you're going to do the same pull off, and then you're going to hit the 2nd fret on the D string. So. So you can do different variations on that. Another common thing that you can do is the 3rd fret on the E string to a pull off, 3rd fret on the B string to a pull off, kind of descending type thing. And that kind of sounds cool. That's used a lot. And then another way you can do that, it's a little bit more complicated, but you can do something like this. And that's using the E blues scale. So the pentatonic, the minor pentatonic is, and then the blues note is going to be at the 1st fret on that G string. So, and then you're just going to kind of go 2nd, 1st, open. And then you can also do something like a bend with your fingers bridged over the 2nd fret on the D and G strings. And that's maybe not something that Howlin Wolf will play, but it's something a little bit more modern blues guys might play. And then the last thing you can kind of do is and Howlin Wolf will do this too, is hit up on the 12th fret. So really you can just kind of play around with that. I'd recommend just doing that E minor pentatonic, E blues scale, both variations of both. And just, kind of get that rhythm going, and then you can kind of fit those accent notes in the open spaces. So just play around with that, and once you do that, that's going to give you a lot of ways to add that kind of feel to any type of blues-based rock you're playing. And you can even go with more like rock-type sounds. And, like this is kind of the basis of what Jeffrey Lee Pierce does in the Gun Club, especially on that first album. That basic blues sound is throughout that album. So again, I hope you like this lesson. If you like the video, like it on YouTube and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.